Welcome to Academy's YouTube channel. We are here with another quick Photoshop tutorial. Today we are flipping images. Whether you're fixing orientation or creating a cool mirror effect, this tutorial has you covered. For more design related content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to request any particular videos or tutorials, just comment below. So let's get started. Say you're designing a sneaker flyer and need a mirrored version of the shoe. Instead of searching for another image, just flip the existing one horizontally or vertically. I'm going to copy the shoe image. It saves time and keeps your design consistent. To flip the image, select the shoe image copy layer in the Layers panel. Then go to Edit, Transform, Flip horizontal or flip vertical. I'm using the horizontal flip as it is more suitable to the design here. You can adjust the placement of the shoe according to your design. Horizontal flip mirrors the image side to side, while vertical flip flips it upside down. And that's all it takes to flip an image in Photoshop. Give it a try on your own to add a creative dimension to your design images. Hope you enjoyed learning this tool. Watch this space for many more quick and super useful techniques of Adobe Photoshop. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Academy's YouTube channel for more design related content. See you soon. Happy creating!